Hello, everyone. This is Ryan from Huckabye again, and today we're going to talk about some rich results that you can get for recipes. Now, if you're a restaurant, a online retailer, or e-commerce business, anything that you can possibly do that has a recipe on the page itself, that will qualify for rich results. But let's take a look at what those actual rich results look like first. So we're going to look at something, and let's do chili verde. Ooh, that looks good. This one's probably going to make you hungry, by the way. So you'll see some rich results up here at the top, and you'll notice that they have reviews on them, which we've spoken about in another video. But if you click on that, there's a lot of specific items that you can actually mark up within the recipe itself. Those should primarily be at the top, but at the same time, obviously you're going to want ingredients, you're going to want prep time, you're going to want people to be able to review it. So here's an example. If you go to support.huckabye.com and go to the rich results part and then recipe, not only will you see this video, which will soon be posted here, but at the same time, you'll see what you need to put on your website that our software can mark up. And it'll be super easy to do that. So an image of the completed dish. Now, one of the things that a lot of people like to do that's optional is a video of that. And we can actually mark that video up as well. So prep time, recipe category is a big one that's actually missed. So whether it's a main course or a dinner or dessert or an appetizer, that's something that you can look in there. And that all helps out in search results. So take a look at support.huckabye.com at the recipe markup or the recipe article, and you'll be able to see exactly what you need so that your recipes will show up on search engines like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.